is to break higher for the day or for the week, guys, because most of the week we've already been seeing that prices hasn't been able to stay above $99.20. And most of the time prices just get broken down lower after touching $99.20 to $99.40. And definitely we would love to see how this market reaction works, but so far from what I could be seeing from the daily candlesticks, it seems that on the morning market sides on the Asian time zone, we are seeing that the US dollar index are trying to break out higher, but it has failed, and prices are right now weakening and stays back below $99.20. And it's a little bit weird, I would say, with the US dollar index weakening. And let me be clearer, I'll be opening the 30-minute time frame charts to see what is actually happening. And yes, it's the same as what we have already been seeing, that prices on the morning market Asian time zone sessions are trying to break out higher, but it failed. And right now, prices are weakening as we are watching the charts. And again, the resistance area has been quite strong, and that's already been tested for weeks, especially since last week, where prices are trying to break out but failed 2-3 times. And if you guys are trying to count the minor breakout, it has failed a lot of times. So it really shows you guys that the resistance area around $99.20 towards $99.60 has been quite strong. And with this kind of market movement, and like you guys know, that this week is a heavy packed data week, and definitely I will be expecting that US dollar index will be also moving on the sideways, and maybe the correlations with gold and silver couldn't be that related at this point of time, and really depends on how the market movement is reacting towards each news, and how the market reactions work on every assets would be the best and the safest choice to do. But certainly with how things has been going on here, I would say it's been a bit slower, and we are going to expect bigger market movements happening later on, so we'll try to see how that goes. But for now, prices are still ranging, honestly speaking, guys. Despite the weakness earlier on the Asian time zone, after rebound, most of the price actions has been ranging between $98.95 to $99.15 the most, and that's all that we are watching since the Asian time zone sessions until the live sessions that we are right now watching. And this is a 30-minute time frame charts, and just so you guys to be clear, so that you guys don't get confused. So it's around this range. So it's definitely not much. Prices are just moving in this kind of ranges. And not a lot